What is the domain name system and how does it work? Have you ever wondered how typing a simple website name takes you to the right place on the internet? Let's break down the domain name system, or DNS, and see how it operates. The domain name system is a vital part of how the internet functions. It translates easy-to-remember domain names, like example.com, into numerical internet protocol addresses that computers use to identify each other. This means you do not have to memorize a series of numbers to visit your favorite websites. Think of DNS as the internet's phone book. When you enter a domain name into your web browser, your device sends a request to DNS servers to find the corresponding internet protocol address. This process is known as DNS resolution. Once the DNS servers respond with the internet protocol address, your browser can connect to the correct web server and load the website you want to visit. The system is organized in a hierarchical and distributed manner. At the top of this hierarchy are root DNS servers. These servers direct queries to top-level domain servers, which manage domains like .com, .org, or country-specific domains. These top-level domain servers then point to authoritative DNS servers that are responsible for specific domain names. Internet service providers and organizations usually operate these DNS servers, which cache information to speed up future requests. Domain names are structured in a way that separates different parts with dots. For example, in www.example.com, each part represents a level in the hierarchy. The rightmost part is the top-level domain, the middle part is the domain name, and the leftmost part can be a subdomain or host. Without the domain name system, users would need to remember and enter Internet Protocol addresses directly, which would be quite impractical given the vast number of websites and services available. Additionally, DNS supports other Internet services, such as email, by translating the domain names used in email addresses. From the perspective of domains and web hosting, managing DNS is essential. When you register a domain, you need to configure DNS records to point that domain to your web hosting server's Internet Protocol address. These records include a records, which map domain names to Internet Protocol version for addresses, Internet Protocol version 6 records, which are for Internet Protocol version 6 addresses, CNAME records that serve as aliases, and mix records that identify mail servers. Properly setting up DNS ensures that your website and email services work correctly and are accessible worldwide. In essence, the domain name system is the backbone that connects user-friendly domain names to the technical Internet Protocol addresses of web servers. This connection allows for smooth navigation and communication on the Internet. Managing DNS effectively is a fundamental aspect of domain registration and web hosting services.